All right, guys, now that you're set up and you're ready to leave, I'm going to go kind of backwards on how you would set this up to take it all out so you can leave your campsite. So first, what you're going to do is unhook your water. So the same thing, our quick connects. You just unhook that from that end, this from your freshwater hose, and you can place that in our red bin. Take our adapter, put that back in the lid. And then we would just quickly unhook this, wind it up nice, and in the bag again it says fresh. It's for our fresh water hose, and we put it right in there. Nice, put our lid back on. Fresh water hose, all of our stuff slides nicely right into that bin and out of the way. Now on to the sewer part. So first, what you're going to want to do is pull your black waste tank drain. So this lever right here, you just pull out, and your black waste will start to go, and you can see with the clear filters here and at the corner, you can see and make sure when it's all done draining. After that's done draining, you see no more water coming through, you would pull your gray waste. So the gray is just the sink and the shower, basically everything other than your toilet, and that'll just help clean out the lines with gray water. So again, that'll rush, and you'll be able to see once that's empty, you push that back in once that's done. Now to flush it out, what we're going to do is take this, again, bag says black, and we're going to hook this up to the your water source. Again, not with any of our fresh water. You don't want any of that touching. If you don't have sewer at your site and you're doing this at a dump station, it's going to be the same thing. They should have water where you can hook it right up to the water line there. And then right over here, I keep an extra one on here just to keep it closed off. You just kind of unhook that one and hook ours right in. Wait till it clicks. All right, so then you would go and turn on the water either at your site or at a waste dump station, and that basically pushes water in. Make sure your black and gray are out. That'll just help wash it out and keep it nice and clean. Again, we don't want any water touching that, so we use a separate hose and separate hookups. Again, once you're done and everything's drained out, you turn off your water, unhook, and put everything back in our black water bag that fits right in here. And you can put our little valve back on for that. Now, once it's all kind of flushed and clean, we can do the same thing. Start your drain. Actually, you might want to start up here, probably better. You can just untwist and just hold it up. That way, if there is any kind of leftover, shake it into there. And it does accordion, so we just accordion it back up. Unscrew this from your sewer line, and then you would unspin this. And you can either connect them together, create a closed loop, or we do have these plastic end caps that close it off as well. If you need two of them, however it comes back, it's fine. One thing you do, if you put these on, it won't accordion because the air gets stuck. So you got to make sure at least one end is off to accordion, or it won't let you do it. Then we kind of make sure it's all closed up. Again, I would do this all with gloves. I have gloves available. When you run it, you can show it. I would do all of this with gloves. Make sure our cap is back on in the main house. And then we can put these right back in here. Close up our sewer latch. Accordion. Slides right together nice. Very quick and easy. I'll show you this one. Again, it's just an empty hook. You place it over it. It's very bendy. You just bend it over to where it latches on the bottom, and you can carry it. And put put that back in here. And then usually the last thing is the electrical. And again, to do that, you would make sure the breaker and everything is off at your campsite. You would unplug it from the surge protector, take the surge protector or whatever adapter you have out, place it back in our electrical bag. Make sure you put the protector clamp clip thing back on. It just helps keep it safe. And then you would wind it up in a circular motion like any extension cord. This is just a big one, so it's round, creates a nice little spot for our bag, and you are all set to leave your campsite.